Hello everyone, Dinky Kune Physiology and more, and today is day 5 of phase 1 of weather acclimation. Okay, so another real good way to get yourself adapted to the cold, and I know especially right now, with it being cold, everyone wants to try to stay warm. Here's the thing though, wake up first thing in the morning, jump in the shower. If you really want to be brave, jump in it cold right away, or start off with a hot and then turn the cold on and step away for a minute, take a few deep breaths to help embrace that, and then get back in the cold. And I don't want you just sit in the cold for a few seconds. I want you to challenge yourself to stay in that cold, ice cold shower water, until you literally feel the overwhelming feeling just go away. I know what you're thinking. It's like, it's never going to go away. Yes, it actually will. Okay, at my kids' house, their water is absolutely freezing cold in the wintertime. The longest I've ever stood in the shower, their water is 2 minutes 45 seconds. It only happened once because honestly, a lot of times, it's like, that overwhelming feeling. A lot of times you think it's never going to go away until you actually let it dissipate, okay? And it doesn't mean that you're going to do it every time, especially your first few times. It's probably going to be hard as hell. But I want to challenge everybody. Take a cold shower first thing in the morning. Start with warm water. Turn it on to cold, whatever it may be, okay? And then just embrace that. Try to sit in there for at least 1 minute. Try to just embrace it and be like, hey, you know what? This overwhelming feeling, it's going to go away. It's going to go away. And just keep thinking in your head, it's going to go away because it will. It might take 5 seconds, 20 seconds. It might take a minute or so, okay? And if you don't get the first time, don't get down on yourself. But do not give up. Just keep trying, okay? After whenever I take a shower, it's honestly routine. I never forget that I always turn on the cold and sit in the cold water afterwards. Now my water here does not get that cold, but therefore I sit underneath that longer. I just go to the point where it literally feels absolutely not cold anymore, which is actually sometimes a little faster, sometimes a little slower. It just really depends on the person, the day, and everything like that. We got to be proactive. We got to keep doing things to adapt ourselves to the cold. Every little thing possible. If you really want to be brave, do that. Jump in the shower, warm water, then the cold water. Get dressed really quick, then go outside in some light clothing. That's going to get you adapted to the cold a lot more. Let's get out there, stay motivated, believe in yourself, believe you can do it, and believe that you deserve it. Let's get out there. Let's go.